I attend this AI coding workshop because I want to get knowledge of how to build agentic workflow that is reliable.
I hope to learn more on how to efficiently use tools, how to write the right prompts, and how to use it in my day-to-day job as well.
I think the most important key takeaway is that developers shouldn't stop thinking. AI can do a lot of our job, provide a lot of code, but it's still our responsibilities as developers to come up with good specifications, do good design decisions, and make sure that the code works and is secure at the end.
I think the key takeaway from this event would be how we can use the AI tools from day-to-day life, being a developer, being an architect, and how can it make my life more efficient than today.
Very nice workshop. It gives a very structured overview of the general workflow. It pays attention to the pitfalls where you can fall right now. One of the biggest problems now that people have with the AI coding is that it's everywhere, but nobody knows how to do it properly, and you have to equip yourself with the knowledge to be really prepared for it.